Hello students. Today we will study chapter number 6 Cocktails of HS302. This presentation is created for you by Professor Sararang from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. So, let's begin. Cocktails are mixed drinks in which at least one ingredient is alcoholic liquid. Drinks, which are made without any alcoholic ingredients, are called as mocktails. The origin of the cocktail is claimed by England, Mexico, America and France. There are many stories, but no one knows the authenticity of any. Universal interest in cocktails came in the 1920s. Generally, the term cocktail is used for all mixed drinks. Base, modifiers, flavoring, coloring and sweetening agents, and garnishes are parts of a cocktail. Cocktails can be classified on the basis of the spirit used and methods of preparation. Components of a cocktail. Base. Any major alcoholic drink that is used in the preparation is called as the base. If two alcoholic beverages are used, then the one with the higher alcoholic percentage is considered as a base. Most cocktails have spirit as a base. However, wine and beer can also be used as base. Modifier. These are complementary ingredients, which modify and enhance the flavors. Some modifiers are eggs, soda, wines, beers, liquors, spirits, juices, water, etc. Modifier contributes to the body as well. Garnishes increase eye appeal of the cocktail. Garnish can be edible or non-edible. Edible garnishes can contribute to the flavor of the cocktail. However, non-edible garnishes just enhance the appeal. Some examples of the garnishes are olives, cherries, fruit slices, orange spirals, lemon wedges. Some cocktails have standardized garnishes. However, some cocktails have innovative one. Let us understand the methods of making cocktails. A cocktail is basically assumed as shaken or stirred. However, there are other methods too, which can produce an excellent cocktail. Method of mixing a cocktail depends upon the ingredients used in a cocktail. There are 5 methods of mixing cocktail. And those are shaking, stirring, blending, building, and layering. Now let us see all of these methods in detail. Shaking. When a drink contains egg, fruit juice, or cream, it is necessary to shake these ingredients to ensure even mixing. Shaking is the method in which cocktail shaker is used to mix and chill the ingredients simultaneously. The purpose is to almost freeze the drink while combining flavors. Normally, shaking is done with ice cubes. It is important not to break the ingredients by very vigorous shake. When water begins to condense on the surface of the shaker, it should be understood that the cocktail is sufficiently chilled and ready to be strained into the glass. Stirring. This is another method of making cocktails. One can easily stir cocktail with a metal or a glass rod. In this method, all ingredients are simply added in a container and are stirred with the help of stirring tool. It might be bar spoon or it might be a metal or a glass stirrer. If ice is to be used, use ice cubes to prevent dilution. Stirring is suitable for the drinks which contains ingredients such as soda water or any other liquid containing aerated waters. Blending. An electrical blender is needed for blending a cocktail. Blending is suitable for recipes containing ingredients which do not break down by simple shaking. Blending is an appropriate way of combining such ingredients with the others, creating a smooth and ready-to-serve mixture. Some recipes require to be placed in a blender. In such cases, using a suitable amount of crushed ice is suggested. Building. Building is another method of making a cocktail. While building a cocktail, all the ingredients are poured into the glass in which the cocktail will be served. Usually, the ingredients are simply poured, and a swizzle stick is placed into the glass, which allows the ingredients to be mixed. Layering. This method is suitable for the ingredients of different densities. To layer a cocktail, rounded, or back part of the spoon is used. Spoon is held near to inner wall of the glass. Ingredients are slowly poured over the back of the spoon into the glass. The ingredient run inside the glass and remain separated from the ingredient below it. Learning the approximate weight and density of certain liquors helps to carry out layering more effectively. The key for successful layering is lighter ingredients float on top of the heavier ones. Let us go through equipments used to make cocktails. Equipments play an important role in making cocktails. Bartender can get the desired task done easily with the help of these equipments. A life of a bartender becomes easy if he has a good quality and durable equipment. Some of the bar equipment are designed specifically for making cocktails. Some of the important equipment used to make cocktails are peg measure, cocktail shaker and a bar spoon. Peg measure or jigger is used to calculate the amount of liquid to be added in a particular cocktail. Jigger is also used to serve spirits such as rum, whiskey, brandy. Cocktail shaker is used to make shaken cocktails. This equipment is particularly designed to shake cocktails. Bar spoon. Bar spoon is used to make stirred cocktails. Apart from stirring, bar spoon has many other uses. While making a layered cocktail, inverted bar spoon can be used to pour liquid ingredients into the glass. Along with cocktail shaker, jigger and bar spoon, Boston shaker, hot hand strainer, muddler, and pourer play important role while making cocktail. Boston shaker is used to shake a cocktail. It is another form of a cocktail shaker. Hawthorne strainer. When a cocktail is prepared in a Boston shaker or in a glass, Hawthorne strainer is used to strain cocktails before serving. Muddler is an equipment generally made up of wood or stainless steel. Muddler is used to gently crush ingredients such as leaves, wedges or peel of various fruits, to release the aroma. Pourer is an equipment, generally attached to the mouth of the bottle so that a desired quantity of any beverage can be poured into the glass. General guidelines before mixing a cocktail. Maintain a very good personal hygiene and a bar hygiene. Protective clothing should be worn before preparing for service. Never use the same glass for making a cocktail. Never use the same ice which has been used earlier. Do not use white membrane of the citrus fruit while making the drink, as it can make the drink taste bitter. Do not put carbonated drink in the blender as carbon dioxide content in the drink may explode the container. Never fill the glass till the rim, as it becomes difficult for the customer to consume the drink. Cocktails should not be kept standing as they tend to separate. That means once a cocktail is prepared, it should be served as immediately as possible. A cocktail kept for long after preparation may result into separation of the ingredients. When a shaker is used to make a cocktail, make sure it contains ice as it helps to maintain the same temperature of the ingredients. Do not use glass or hand while handling the ice. So, after reading these general guidelines of making a cocktail, now you are ready to make one for yourself. Thank you.